iOS and Android 2-in-1 CarPlay from Pyniro. Smartphone with recent updates. We have the 2-in-1 adapter showing you how nicely it comes packaged. You get USB-C, USB-A extension cable, and the dongle with the 90-degree USB-A to plug in to your car, with information and instructions of a user guide. USB-A, USB-C cables replaces with the dongle flush to the car. Hard to reach areas, we have a USB-A extension cable that plugs in. That could be placed in any particular way. In this demonstration, please remove the protective film. Start the car. A red to green pairing light. The infotainment dashboard will change. With the infotainment dash will switch over Bluetooth in a few seconds. Opening up Bluetooth, SmartBox DDA, pairing request, allow, and set up. We have our phone contacts, recents, keypad, make a phone call, map location, audio, car, and the main screen. Playing the music by simply hitting the badge and the music will play.
When your cat is acting weird,
Pressing on the square will get you to your phone, music, map, messages, now playing, your car information, your podcast, your audiobook, swiping over to your map location, pressing back on the three dashes, and the opposite way, news, calendar, settings, Audacity, and other applications. Pressing over to your car information for Siri. What is the weather?
It's currently cloudy and 73 degrees. Expect thunderstorms starting in the afternoon. Today's high will be 75.
With the CarPlay synced in blue, we are set to go. Wireless, hands-free, and no cables plugged in. In standby, we have a red light, and when removing, the unit was shut off and able to place in a portable car of another one. Compact and slim, and sets up within seconds. Shutting off the car and turning on the car boot up to startup in a minute's time. Traveling, car rentals, and more with wireless smartphone CarPlay systems. No cables required. Extension cables for hard to reach areas of the dongle. I hope you enjoy the product. No more cables hanging around unless you want a shorter cable. Your smartphone becomes wireless with non-charging to the car via the USB ports. This allows you easy access and in the car, hands-free within a minute's time. I hope you enjoy the product from Pyniro. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.